An appeal for help this evening from a St. James family that is seeking to get a 10-year-old girl the medication, or rather the medical care that she urgently needs. The child was the victim of a gun crime that has left her incapacitated. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
This bullet mark to the side of Kalissa's head is a frightening reminder of the ordeal that changed the 10-year-old's life. She was one of 10 people shot during a daylight gun attack on October 6 by gangsters in Montego Bay, St. James. The child's mother was brought to tears as she recalled the incident.
Our vehicle was right behind us, firing the shots. And when the driver finally came off the road, pulled out of the road so the car could pass, and I was turning around to look at my child to say, "Kalissa, are you okay?" All I could see was blood running like water. I'm sorry, but it really hurts to see my child go through all of that. And she said, "Mommy," the only thing that came out of her mouth was "Mommy."
Her mother said God and the good work of medical practitioners saved her daughter's life. But even after all of that, Kalissa is still not where she wants to be physically. Her balance has been impacted. She cannot stand or walk for a long time without assistance.
Mommy came in the bathroom with me to bed this morning, and I felt dizzy like I was gonna fall.
But while her body has been injured, her spirit is not broken.
She's pushing. She's a strong child, and I really admire that much about her. She, even though what has happened to her, she's not allowing it to hold her back. She's still trying to push on because she wants her life back.
The family chose to speak off camera because they are still afraid. But they decided to share the story because the 10-year-old needs help, your help. They have identified medical care overseas that could correct at least one of the medical problems associated with the fractured skull and damaged left eardrum that weakened the entire left side of the child's body.
I will have to take her overseas to get her surgery. Something called a cochlear implant. They said she will need to get. The cochlear implant, it would run at least up to $50,000 US if we were supposed to get that done. And if this surgery is not done ASAP, she can also lose hearing in her right ears.
The medical timeline on this surgery is as soon as possible or else. Persons who want to assist can donate to their Scotiabank Sam Sharp Square branch, account number 100-6493. Again, that's 100-6493.
If anyone out there, it doesn't matter how small it is, and you can assist us, please help us.
The family is also hoping for justice very soon.
I haven't heard to say that, okay, one of them gets caught, two of them get caught, nothing. It just dead down as if nothing ever happened. And I think that is disgusting and unfair to people. Me think up here slackness are going to Jamaica right now, as far as me see it. Nothing to do to take off the criminal them off our road.
The family, in the meantime, feel more creative ways are needed to contain the crime situation in the parish. A state of emergency was implemented in St. James weeks after the child was shot.
It is not helping. Andrew have to come better than that.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.